Hi my friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so excited to have you here again. Today we are making OFE ONUGBU bitter leaf soup, and I'm sure I'm going to kill this one because I have made oha soup, I have made OFE otisa, I have made banga soup, I have made so many Igbo soups, and trust me, it was a check. So this one is definitely going to be a check. We are on episode 8 of cooking one soup from the 36 states of Nigeria, and I am going to Ebonyi State today. Although Ofe Onugbu is a general Igbo soup, but I think it is mainly from Ebonyi State. I'm not so sure about this, but I did my research online, and like 70% of the research was that Ofe Onugbu is from Ebonyi State. Without so much being said, let's move right into the ingredients. For this soup, we need cocoyam, which is the thickener of our soup. We're going to be using cocoyam to thicken our soup. Source of protein, I am using cow beef. You can choose to use goat meat, whichever protein of your choice. You can even choose to use chicken. It works very well. The star of our ingredient, bitter leaf. This is already washed, properly squeezed. In fact, 95% of its bitterness is already extracted and it is just ready to go. Stockfish, pomo, also known as cow skin, blended scotch bonnet pepper, Cameroon pepper, ogiri paste, bouillon cubes, salt, palm oil. Please use good quality palm oil. Palm oil literally determines the taste of your soup amidst every other ingredient. Palm oil will make your soup taste quality, and it can literally ruin the taste of your soup. So please use palm oil from a trusted source. Let's begin with making our protein. We're going to start with boiling our protein just so that the protein is soft. We can get the stock of our protein that is going to serve as the base of our soup. So once we boil our protein, we will get the stock of the protein, which is very important in the taste of your soup. So to boil our protein, we're going to go in with the protein into the pot, of course. Let's go in with our pomo just so that it can cook together with the protein. Also, our stockfish so that this can also get soft with the meat and the pomo. We are using 1 stone to kill 3 birds. Seasoning cube, salt. Now let's just stir this together. We are going to let this cook in its own juice. You'll be surprised with the amount of juice that is going to come out from our meat. So let's just allow this cook in its own juice. That way we are getting quality stock from our meat. It's been some couple of minutes and I'm sure our meat should be soft and already cooked. Let's check. Perfect. Now let's go in with our pepper mix. This is literally just pepper blend. Our palm oil. This soup is really easy to make. Once you've gotten all your ingredients, you are good to go. For some hot spicy flavor, we're going to go in with some Cameroon pepper, ogiri, some salt, bouillon cube. Now is the time we go in with our cocoyam paste. I literally just spread this in the soup just so that it doesn't form lumps, and you don't want it to form lumps, so let's just scatter it up before it moves up together. Our soup is coming together really quick. Let's add in a little bit of water to loosen it up, because trust me, when we allow this to boil, it's going to thicken up. It's coming together. Let's allow it boil for about 5 minutes and we'll be right back. Hey, whoa! Our soup is perfect. When I say a soup base that is perfect, this soup base is perfect. All we have to do now is go in with our bitter leaf, stir to combine, allow it to simmer for some time. We'll go in with some crayfish to enhance the taste, because there's a really good flavor crayfish give our soup and we don't want to miss that. And just like that, we'll have made ourselves a very good, delicious Ofe Onugbu that you should definitely try out, my friends. Let's go in with our water leaf, properly squeezed. If you don't squeeze your water leaf well, your soup will be bitter. So squeeze yours very well. Our crayfish, see soup na. Igbo soups are not difficult to make. Oh. Once you understand the procedure, you follow the right ingredients, and you are good to go. Let's let this simmer for 2 minutes and our soup is ready. This smells divine. Omo, soup dey this life. Oh. Look at now. Hey, Yoruba girl wey dey cook fire. It tastes so good. Let me taste pomo. Very soft, tender, it's super tasty. Has a slight bitter taste because of the bitter leaf, which is normal, but it's very delicious and it's super medicinal. You definitely need to try this ones, my friends. And if you've watched till this point of this video and you've not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? I would love to be your friend. I would love that we connect more. So please hit the subscribe button. Do not forget to hit the notification bell right beside the subscribe button so that you will always be the first person to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to drop your comments and your suggestions in the comment section, and I would love to see you in my next one, my friends. Bye.